Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a portfolio on Squarespace. First, navigate to squarespace.com/templates and browse the Portfolios category. You will find many pre-designed options tailored for showcasing creative work. Once you select a template, head to your Pages panel and click the plus icon to add a new page. Choose the Portfolio page type, which offers specialized layouts such as grids or slideshows, perfect for presenting your projects visually. This initial setup is straightforward, allowing you to quickly establish the foundation of your online presence. Now, let's personalize your portfolio. Access the Site Styles panel to modify your website's fonts and color palette, ensuring they align with your unique brand aesthetic. Squarespace offers extensive customization options, allowing you to change colors, fonts, and even add custom CSS for advanced styling. You can also edit individual section backgrounds, incorporating high-resolution images or videos to create visual interest. Use the intuitive drag-and-drop editor to arrange content blocks, giving you complete control over the layout and flow of each page. With your design in place, it's time to populate your portfolio with your amazing work. Click the plus icon within your portfolio page to add new projects. Each project acts as a subpage where you can upload high-resolution images, embed videos, and write detailed descriptions. These descriptions should outline the purpose, process, and any notable achievements of each piece. Organize your projects using categories and tags, making it easier for visitors to filter and navigate through your diverse body of work, enhancing their browsing experience. Before launching, optimize your portfolio for maximum visibility. Add compelling SEO titles and descriptions to each page and project, helping search engines discover your work. Squarespace templates are inherently responsive, ensuring your portfolio looks fantastic on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Finally, create an About page to share your story and a dedicated contact page with a form, making it simple for potential clients to reach out. With these steps, your professional Squarespace portfolio will be ready to impress the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.